Well, after making a mount for my mill to hold a Sharpie-like pin to be able to utilize it in the mill, I went ahead and I'm adapting now the same holder to hold a Beugler pinstriping tool. Now I haven't got it mounted in there because you can see they have a mount there for a guide. Well, I've ordered a barrel that doesn't have that. So that barrel will slide up and down here, and I think it'll work pretty well. Now here's the old mount I had for the Beugler, and you can see it's compared to what I'm doing now. This is kind of Mickey Mouse, but this one I think will work very well. I do have one problem. I'm gonna have to devise something for this barrel to keep it from swiveling. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but that has to be. The only thing this will be used for is pinstriping straight lines. I won't be doing any curves or anything. So this needs to be stable within this right here without the ability to be able to twist. So I'll have to figure that out somehow. I'll have a guide on there to keep this straight so that the roller wheel is kept in line. So anyway, I thought I'd give you an update and give you an idea of what I'm up to. But I think both tools will work very well. I'll be able to do lettering and everything with this since the center of the pin is on center. And I'll be able to do lines, curves, lettering, and everything with that one. This one is only for straight lines. And what I'm making it for is I have a Pennsylvania Railroad E7 A and B unit that has the Pennsylvania Railroad Classic 5 lines going the full length of the engine. That's what this is for. I tried masking everything. You just can't get it straight. But with this, it'll keep the lines straight, and I'll be able to place them exactly where they're supposed to be. So anyway, I thought I'd give you an update, and there you go.